Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alhamdulillah, in this good occasion we can talking together about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel was talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, today, like usual, I want to share to you about Binance. Binance recovered the majority of funds stolen from Cure Finance. Binance recovered and froze around $450,000 worth of the stolen assets, which is around 80% of the stolen fund. Crypto exchange Binance has recovered a big part of the funds from the recent hack that targeted the decentralized Binance protocol Core Finance. In a tweet, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao announced that the exchange has frozen and recovered $450,000 of the stolen assets, which is more than 80% of the stolen funds, according to Zhou. The hacker tried to send the phone with exchange in various ways, but detected by Binance, the exchange is currently working to return the funds to their rightful owners. The core finance team detected the hack on Tuesday and altered their user Albanian from using their website. An hour after the warning, the team announced that it was able to find the resolve the issues. However, the attacker were still able to hijack around $537,000 worth of USDC before the issues was resolved. According to the expert from the blockchain analysis from Elliptic, a hacker confirms the domain name system of Pure Finance, which ends with malicious transaction getting signed. The expert told Cointelegraph that the funds were then sent to various exchange and crypto mixers in an attempt to hide the trail. In the end, funds were sent to Binance and were caught by its team. Cross-chain to cross-hack called for better defense mechanism. This is not the first time this week that the good actors in the crypto community have worked to return stolen funds. Monday with it, hacker and hacker, USDT Tether, and other altcoins made following the recent 190 million exploit. Well, maybe just this what I can share with you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and watch all video of this channel, cause this channel always talking about cryptocurrency and that can add our knowledge and our intellectual of cryptocurrency. Well, thank you very much. See you.